Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block ads and trackers on the web using Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's launched and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three horizontal lines there, which is your menu icon. Click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu, and from that list, select Settings. This will take you into Brave's main configuration area where you can customize how the browser handles privacy, security, and performance. Once you're inside the settings page, look over at the left panel. This is where all the major categories are listed. From there, click on Shields. The Shields feature is Brave's built-in protection system that blocks ads, trackers, and other intrusive content while you browse. It's one of the core reasons people choose Brave over other browsers, so this is where you'll make the adjustments that matter most for your privacy. Now, within the Shield section, look for the option labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to see the available blocking levels. This is where you'll decide how aggressively Brave should filter out unwanted content while you're browsing the web. Here's an important note before you make your selection. There are two main options in this drop-down, and each one serves a different purpose depending on what you prioritize. The first option is Standard. This setting provides safe and smooth browsing. It blocks most ads and trackers without interfering with how websites function. If you want a balance between privacy and usability, this is the option to choose. It's the default setting for a reason because it works well for most users and rarely causes issues with site functionality. On the other hand, the second option is Aggressive. This setting offers strong ad blocking and significantly more privacy protection. It's designed for users who want maximum control over what gets loaded on their screen. However, because it blocks more elements, there's a higher risk of broken sites. Some pages may not display correctly, certain features might not work, and you may occasionally need to adjust settings for specific websites if something doesn't load the way it should. So, if you want no problems and prefer a hassle-free browsing experience, click Standard. But if you want maximum ad blocking and are willing to troubleshoot occasional site issues in exchange for stronger privacy, click Aggressive. Once you've made your choice, the setting is applied immediately, and Brave will start blocking ads and trackers according to the level you selected. And that's it. You've now configured Brave browser to block ads and trackers based on your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.